Hello everybody. Today I'm here to talk a little bit about change management. What is change management and how it affects a project and a business in its ongoing. If a sudden change happens in an ongoing project, it would incur in pretty much difficulties or in closure of project as well. So if it's not taken seriously or has not been managed effectively, it's gonna do those things as well. Change management is a basic skill in which uh, most leaders and managers need to be competent. Sorry, there are very few working environments where change management is not important. Those are very few. Let's have a look of the basic principle of change management and provide some tips on how those principles can be applied to your business. When leaders or managers are planning to manage change, there are 5 key principles that need to be kept in mind. Different people react differently to change. That's the first thing. Everyone has fundamental needs that have been to be met. The second one. The third one is change often involves a loss, and people go through the loss curves. The fourth one is the expectation need to be managed realistically, and the very fifth thing is fears have to be dealt with. Because here are some tips to apply the above principle when managing change. Give people information, give everybody the whole information, to be open and honest about the facts, how things are going and what things are not going well, but don't give up over optimistic speculation that is meet their openness needs, but in a way that does not set unrealistic expectation to the employees or to the stakeholders. For large groups, produce a communication strategy that ensures information is disseminated efficiently and effectively and comprehensively to everyone. Example, tell everyone at the same time. However, follow this up with individual interview, with individual interview to produce a personal strategy for dealing with the change. This helps to recognize and deal appropriately with the individual reaction of change to change. Give people choices to make and be honest to make their decisions and to be honest about the possible consequences of those choices, that is meet their control and inclusion needs. Give people time to express their views and to have their ideas in front of you, to put their ideas in front of the manager and the project leaders, and support their decision making. Provide coaching if they are lack of that, counseling or information as appropriate to help them through the loss curves. When the change where the change involves a loss, identify what will or might replace that loss. Is there any possibility to change that loss or just to minimize that one? Loss is easier to cope with there if something to replace it. Where it is possible to do so, give individual opportunity to express their concern and provide reassurance that the project or the industry will run finally and it's gonna come to an end without any failure, or and we reassure them. That will help in the change management, and that the management is the best possible management. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good time.